IR spectroscopy. You know about the IR spectroscopy, infrared spectroscopy. It's a range 780 to 1 mm. So it's very useful in everyday life because in IR spectroscopy, with interaction between the IR and matter. Okay, in electromagnetic radiation from IR radiation interact with the matter. Through in molecule, lot of vibrations possible. So what are the vibrations means? Stretching vibration and bending vibration. In stretching vibration, 2 or 3 types of stretching vibrations. Already we know about that basic about the IR. So it's very useful in medical applications. So what is the important, how it work? So one by one we have discussed it. So what is IR spectroscopy?
IR rays are electromagnetic radiation whose wavelength is longer than visible light and shorter than microwave. So as ma'am said, its wavelength ranges from 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter. So it is used in like CCTVs for like night vision and many more, and also like in agricultural fields to detect the amount of heat which is being produced and many more. So it falls under beyond in the spectrometer, so it is called infrared. Yeah, that's it.
So it's 780 to 1 mm. So 3 types of IR is possible. One near IR, mid IR and far IR. In near IR, it's a type of applications is different. In far IR, we use in molecular vibration and all. Okay. So how it works? So what is the empathy of IR?
So the empathy detection of IR is that it can change physiological changes, and IR is used to scan the body and face of a person. It is also used in a person's face or some wound seasons. So this is the use of IR. IR camera detects the subtle changes of a person's body.
So I am going to define IR. IR refers to the electromagnetic radiations. So it is longer than the visible light, but it is shorter than the microwave. It's range from 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. So it is used in night visions and remote controls.
And I'm going to talk about how it's work. Each type of molecules can be observed the light, and it can be show their sample like chemical bond and functional group by their using of chemistry, biology and forensic science by know to their ray lights.
Tools and IR spectroscopy is very useful in science and technology. It helps us to use what materials made up of, whether it is pure or not, and it also helps in industry like medicine, forensics and agriculture, and at last it helps us to know whether a material is what structure chemical bond is made in the material, and that's it.
Testing for IR spectrometer. Here we are going to see about the step-by-step process for the IR spectrometer. For testing the IR spectrometer, first the sample kept in the IR spectrometer, and some researchers, after some researchers, the scanner scanning the spectrometer that runs, and they give the result as a graph, as a graph, and there are three processes in the testing, like identify, testing, and result.
Evaluate. So first we'll kept in the sample using from reference like a KBR powder, and mixing with the sample and kept into IR spectrometer, and the IR radiation will be passed through the sample. Finally we get it the graph. Okay, after that we get identify what is the molecules in vibrations present in the IR. So we can find out the molecular vibration from that graph and evaluate the final structures. So we know about what type of molecules, that means how much carbon or hydrogen is bonded with other molecules. So these interactions and vibrations of molecules we finally find out from the graph. So it's IR spectrometer is very important or data like in medical applications and all.